Meanwhile, the opposition leaders just recently called on President Ramnath Kovind to discuss the farm laws, once again hitting out at the centre for these farm laws. And Sumi, my colleague, perhaps can also throw some more light on the ground situation, on what the farmers are saying. Sumi, you're reporting from Singhu border. Just heard the farmers there rejecting the draft proposal that has been sent out by the centre, in fact threatening to intensify protests in the coming few days, particularly 12th and the 14th.
Absolutely, Kritsween. We heard them. They were very anguished about the fact that the proposal had nothing new to offer. The government had nothing new to offer other than the fact that they are not going to, they are going to only bring the amendments to the agricultural laws and not going to repeal the agricultural law in entirety, which is why all the farmer unions have made it very clear that they're going to intensify the agitation in the days to come. And they have, in fact, there are several, giveaways of this crucial meeting that was held on the 14th day of farmers' agitation. And one of the important giveaways was that how the Delhi-Agra and Delhi-Jaipur highway, national highway, will be blocked. And on 14th of December, protests will be held across the nation. The BJP headquarters in the national capital will be carried out by the farmers' union. And also, they are not going to budge. They are, in fact, going to block every road leading to the national capital. They are just going to intensify. And they have also boycotted the Reliance company manufactured products, and also by the Adani Private Limited. They very clearly said that we are going to switch our networks to different options, and we are completely boycotting all these products by these two companies. And they have also said that it is just going to get worse from this point on, and they want the complete repealment of the agricultural law. We're not going to settle down for anything less. These were the words of the farmer unions. And also we heard Rakesh Tikait, who right after the press conference spoke to Republic Media Network and made it very clear that the agitation is just going to intensify. They have clearly hardened their stance on it. And the centre has also, categorically said that we are not going to repeal the agricultural law. So we have two factions fighting for something which is completely, going in different directions. The centre is adamant on its stance, as well as the farmers' union have been very adamant on their stance. So it will be interesting to see as to how things will pan out from this day on. And more protests are expected in the days to come. And in fact, the crucial meeting that ended just a while back had a 21-page draft, which I'm holding of, 21-page draft of the proposal, which I'm holding right now. It was in Hindi, and it very, clearly stated all these facts as to how the agricultural law benefits the small farmers, and how it opens multiple avenues for the farmers, and how they will receive better prices for their farm produce. It also highlights the importance of a farmer and how the nation is running in a surplus situation, surplus farm produce, which is why the opening of a market.
And though the proposal does, in fact, highlight how this is being done for the farmers and for their larger good, but certainly looks like it failed to meet the expectations of farmers, and so they've completely rejected the proposal with the amendments that was pushed for by the centre.